Welcome to Smart Friendly YouTube channel. So today I will be showing you how to upload your design on Redbubbles, and also I'll be showing you the processes, the step by step how you can actually achieve this. Now stay tuned. We are on a series of print on demand. Before we dive into it, please, if you can see, this is our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also refer the YouTube channel to your friends. The YouTube channel is all about it's all about tech in general, data science, data analysis, and also how to make money publishing your books on Amazon and also print on demand. Now you can see that the first video, the introduction of the first video that we did, you can see it here. So if you have not watched, you can watch it. And we are also growing. You can see we are at 96 subscribers. So the only thing you can do for us is to subscribe and help us by subscribing. You can watch the first video which I did, the introduction of print on demand. So today I'll be showing you how to upload your design on Redbubble. As time goes on, I will show you how to do your design. I'll show you how to do your keyword research, and I will also show you how to choose how to look for trending inscriptions to design. So today let's dive into it. So you can see my Redbubble is already opened here. Now how do we do this? If you click here, it depends on where you opened. You can click on what, add your art. So let's allow it to load. Now anywhere you see add your art, now you can copy an existing work and you can upload your new work. So what we are doing here is to upload the new work that we have designed. If you can see, I already have this design here, so I want to upload it. I've downloaded it already as PNG. Let me show you guys. You can see it here. So this is the work I want to upload here. Now you can file requirements. We recommend high resolution JPEG or PNG with a minimum of 5,000 pixel resolution. So this design is actually what, 5,000 by 5,000 pixel resolution. So if you can see from here, this is 5,000. Now, but I will also show you how to do this. But today, let's upload our work. Now look for our design. Here's our design. We'll click on it and allow it to load. So let's give it some time to upload. And remember the platform we are using. We are using Redbubble. We'll also show you how to, in our next video, how to upload your work on Public. But today, just for the sake of this video, just for Redbubble. Now you can see our design has finished uploading. This is our design. It has finished uploading. So here it says what, use a descriptive title that explain your work in photo. 8 words. So I have gotten a descriptive title already, which is this one. I will just cut it and paste it here. Then another thing is tags. You can see tag, say write up to 15 tags, 15 character limit per tag, separated by comma, that describe the contents of your art. Now I already have my tags here. As I said in our video, in our at subsequent videos, I will show you how to get some of these things, including your tag. Now we need description. I already have description here. So in this video, I'm just showing you how to upload on Redbubble. Now we'll paste our description here. Then the next thing is this. You can see that this is how our designs appeared. Now you can adjust this, which I love doing. When I click on each of these things is adjustable. So when I click on this, I can decide to adjust them. I can decide to increase the size. You can see, and decide to increase it. Okay, so the next thing is okay where it is. Then the next thing is here you can choose different t-shirts with different colors. Maybe you can decide to make this black, red, blue. Depends on what you want to do. This or this. So you can decide to change all of them just to give it different colors. Now v-neck, this. Okay, I love it. This, just random colors. I think I'll choose this or this. Anyone that makes sense to you. So just try to edit your work. It's not a must you do all this, but it depends on you. Now I'll go with this color here, and go with this color or this color here. Now another thing is you can add up. If you see here, they said the only available one is 9 out of 12. So you can click on this box, on this radio box, to include the childrenhood. If you can see, it's 12 out of 12 now. Then what? You apply the changes. Now you come to this place, to this particular one. You can just edit all of them the way you want. Scale image, you can increase it. Right now they also have different colors, this and this, so you can decide to change the color, but I love it this way. Then I will click what? Apply. This cap, okay, I can decide to reduce it, choose the color I want. I love this color, it complements it. Then you can do this. Anyone that you select, it will change. You can see it here. So I think I love the color, the last one, which is that heart, which is this. So also okay, let me choose this color and see. So you can apply. So you start doing all these things one after the other. I think this is okay for me. This one is not enabled. You can enable it if you want it, but anytime I enable this, you can see that if I click on edit, it didn't cover the whole thing. But there is how I usually do this. I'll go back to my design. I'll click on this design. I will go to my color background. I will try to see this color, which is F9, F7, F4, F9, F7, F4, F9, F9, F7, F4. So I change it here, F9, F7, F4. So click enter. You can see the color what complements each other. Let me copy it in case I will make use of it later. So this is very okay. I will apply. Then you can see this covered the whole thing, the whole color. So this the same thing, this one is enabled, but you can see that these are different color, which doesn't make sense. So I will keep editing this. I will keep editing this. Apply. Now this is how you keep editing this. The ones that you don't want, this is okay, you switch them off. This actually okay for me. I will do this. Apply the changes. Okay. I will disable this. I don't want it. Pillow. I really want this one to be available, so I will do the same thing here. The same thing. Apply for the pillow. Do you see it? So this I will disable this. What is this? Mouse pad. Okay, I will leave this. I will leave this. I will leave this. This is okay. This is okay for me. Is this okay? Let's see. I want to change the color just to blend with it, with the design. This is okay now. Is this okay? I want to also want to change the color to blend with the design. I will apply. Right. This I will disable this. The work lock. I want to change the color to blend with the design. Let me do that to blend with the design. Okay. So you can see the way it is now. So this is how I will continue to do other ones. I think this is okay. This is okay. I will enable this. It's okay. This is okay for me. Apply. It's okay. This is okay. I don't need this. Is this okay? Let's see. You can see there is white space here. So what I will do is edit. Click on edit. Sorry. Then come to this place. I want to change the color to blend with it. Now this is it. This is it. Now I will choose. We select opt is like a category, or how do I put it? It's called this category, but here they call it media. So you select. I will select digital art and design illustration. Now you can see collections. I have different collections here. I will also teach you how to create these collections, but for now I will not put this in any collection because it's not actually related to any of these collections. So here optimize recommended. I always leave it at optimize, but you can select because there are a lot of things here you can select. So it's like, default product in your shop. Optimize means Redbubble will show a mix of product based on sales and individual customers interest. So I always leave it at optimize. Now anybody in public can see it. You agree? Now is there mature content, which is no. So you save your work. When you save this, let's allow it to load. Then it will show you different designs or different products that's been attached to this design. Not different design, but different products. So let's see how it goes. Now you can see it. This is the design. This is the design we used. So let's talk respect yourself. So you can see how it looks like. You can see how it looks like here. Now just try to go through all of them. Anyone that you don't like, you can go back. You can click on edit and revisit, remove them, either switch them off, but you can see how it is. You can click here, download the images. When you click on download, it will show you different design of this image, of this shirt. You can download and use them for your promotion. So I will also be teaching you how to do the promotion. If you click on the phone case and click on download, you can see this. You can see how it is. Or you can also click on view products. If you want view products, it will open another tab. But you can see how this is in the marketplace. So you can view them. These all your products. You can view them here. Now after going through them, if they are okay by you, you don't have to do any other thing here. If they are okay by you, you don't have to do any other thing. So you just move on. You can see this. A lot of them here. A lot of them. And that's all for today. So this is how you upload your design on Redbubble. Now if you go to your store, manage portfolio, you can see the design has already appeared here. You can see it here. The design is already here. So you can decide to promote or do another, which I will still show a video how to do this. You can also edit this design if you want. So it is what editable. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. The only thing you can do for us to help us grow is to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can put your notification button on and wait for other videos that will come your way on print on demand. Thank you. Bye.